Have you ever sent an email and then 15 seconds later you receive an email back indicating that your original email could not be sent? In this lesson, we'll explore some of the common reasons why our emails fail and some possible solutions. The reports that you received back indicating that there was an issue with your sent email are called non-delivery reports or NDRs, and it can be frustrating to try to figure out why an email was not sent. Most NDRs are caused by bounce-back messages. Let's take a look at some of the most common NDR errors and ways to fix them. And the first error is an incorrect email address. You'll want to review the NDR report itself to confirm that the email address that you typed in is correct. Then try re-entering the recipient's email address one more time if the incorrect email address is in your autocomplete list. You'll want to remove it to avoid the same issue in the future. If the email address is correct, ask the recipient to check for broken forwarding rules. They may have inadvertently have a rule that is causing the bounce back. For example, blocking email from a certain domain. Your next step is to ensure your email account has not been compromised. To check this, check your sent mail folder. If the email is in the sent folder and you did not send it, then change your password and run an anti-malware scan. If the email is not in your sent folder, your account may have been falsified. If you feel your account has been falsified, you'll want to review the NDR to confirm that you actually sent the message and check your sent email folder if the message is not there. Then it's very possible that the spammer falsified the from email address. This is a very common practice, so don't panic, but change your password and run an anti-malware scan. If the preceding steps did not solve the issue, it should then be escalated to your IT department.